Hey, welcome back to the next video of this series. Till now we created the chatbot and widgets, and in this video we are going to see how to perform actions. So uh, before starting this video, I'll recommend you to check out this playlist if you are new to this series. So the first thing is to understand about MessageParser.js, written that console.log message. So let's see here. In console, when we send any message like this, we can see that it's displaying me. So we can, how we can add logics here, like if message dot includes webhook, then it will show me on screen that hello webhook. So it will show me like this. So let's see the result here. On writing anything, we can see that it's not displaying yet, but when I write webhook and my full name, so we can see it's displaying me on screen. So in this way we are going to add logics here. So we will see it. So we are going to see here. Now let's see, on clicking let's get started button, then how we can add action. So for that, what I will do here, in ActionProvider.js, I will create one first. So first I will create one function that is very important, and so don't worry, I will tell you about this function later on. So set state, and in this set state we pass previous as pref, and then we define here object in this as pref, and then messages will be like this, pref dot messages, and also we pass here message. So this is the initial message, and these are this brief dot messages are the previous messages. So after defining this, we set here initial message, like when user click on this let's get started button, so we take action for that. So what I will do, I'll create here const initial action, and in this initial action we write const message equals to create chatbot message in this. So the initial message is like here we can see, on clicking the button, it render this message. So for that I copy this and I'll paste this here, and after that update state, and in this we pass the message. Also we can see that the initial action is defined, but we didn't pass it here, so we need to pass to use this initial action function to other components. So for that we need to pass here. And also, so now I am moving forward to start button.js, and in this component I will add on click event listener. So on click here anonymous function, so I named the function as initial action, as the same as that function. So here const initial action is equals to so here we have to pass the props that we defined here in this section. So we pass the props. So to use these props, so we have to define here, and after that we pass here props dot actions, and in actions, so the name of the action is this initial action. So we need to pass here, and now let's see the result. After doing this, we move forward to the Figma file, and we can see that here is the next message, let me know your age so I can suggest the best ride for you. So I copy this, and after that, so here we can see that after writing we pass here the name, and after sending the name, the chatbot will render the message that is let me know your ages so I can suggest you the best ride for you. So we create here another message like this. Message is equals to create chatbot, and in this I'll copy this. So after that, update state, and we pass the message. So it's very similar to initial action. So after that, we have to copy this, and we have to use this, we need to pass here. So after passing here, we go to the message parser.js, and here we define action dot. So here you can see that actions, and in this action the name of the action is after new message. So let's see the result now. On clicking let's get started, we get this, just type in your name to begin, and after that we can see here on writing message. All right, it's working, but here is the issue. Let me tell you first. The issue is like when we enter here any message, then it's showing me the message that is let me know your age. So this is the issue here, like this will display only when the name we enter. So for that what I will do is, so we write a logic here. Now let's see how we can fix this issue. So for that what I will do, first I will check here the children. So in this we can see here some result that props, and in props we can see state. In state we can see that there are the messages. So here the first message is welcome right age advisor, and the second is avsdf. So I sent this to the chatbot, so it's showing me, and the last one is let me know your age. So this is this one. So as a result you can understand that update state function is very important to store all the previous messages. Let's first create here uh, so I'll name this here checker, and in this checker we define here default value. So after that what I will do here, I'll add this as checker. Now let's see the result. So in this section we get go through props, and in prop section we can see only this is messages. So let's also let's see the result here. When I click on this let's get started, and after that let's see the result. So props, and then in state messages we can see that checker is defined as uh, empty value. So what I will do, I will pass it here, and after that, oh, I paste this to wrong function. So this is will be here. So now let's see here the result again. On clicking let's get started, see the final result. Okay, where is props? And in props we can see that in state the checker is age. So now I will put the logic here for that. So the logic is if children dot props. So you can see that in children the first is props and then state, and in state we can see checker. So in props then state then checker. If checker is equals to age, then I will render this message. So let's see the result now. Here on writing anything we can see that it's not displaying. After that when I click on this let's get started button, we can see that when I write my name here it's working fine. So in this way we can add logic here. So in the next video we are going to implement the fast and slow preferences and the last message. So if you are new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button and like the video, and stay tuned for the next video. and I will see you next time.